Hello everyone, welcome to our new video and a new lesson on the Think Students Book series A2. Think 1 and let's get started!
About how we can change an affirmative sentence in the simple past into a negative sentence. So in the first column we have affirmative sentences. This is just two. She liked singing. They started as a duo. And the next one is negative. She didn't like singing. They didn't started as a duo. So, as you see, what's the difference between the first column and the second one is that we added didn't. So if we want to make any past simple sentence, affirmative sentence, negative, we just add didn't between the subject and the verb. But what do we do next? When we add the verb to do in the simple past, which is didn't, we don't conjugate the verb in the simple past. We put it in the base form like we have here. She didn't like singing. So we didn't write she didn't liked. This is not correct. The correct one is she didn't like. The base form, she didn't like singing. They didn't start. We didn't do they didn't started. This is not correct. The correct ones are she didn't like singing and they didn't start as a duo. So after this review, I want you to look at exercise number 4 in page 58. Correct these two sentences from the article, make them negative. So look at your books. We have Jonathan taught for a long time. They won the competition. Let's look for them in the article. But before you look for them in the article, I want you to have an idea about it. What can the correct form of these sentences in the negative be? So this Jonathan didn't think for a long time and they didn't win the competition. So let's look for these two sentences in the article. Yeah, that's correct. We have Jonathan didn't think for long, and the second one, they carried on together, but they didn't win the competition. This is right and correct. Okay, so let's move on. We have exercise number 5 on the same page 58. Look at these pictures. Okay, look at the pictures and the prompts and write the sentences in the past simple. Let's see what do we have here on this picture. So we have the picture number 1. It's Italy. It's the map of Italy and the picture of Rome, the Colosseum in Rome. So we have we go to Italy, but we go to Rome. So we have that sign for correct and that sign for not correct. So he went, or we. So that means that they went to Italy, but they didn't go to Rome. So that's right. We went to Italy, but we didn't go to Rome. I already made a few of these. So we have we went to Italy, but we didn't go to Rome. Just as we said before, we have the verb to go in the simple past. That means that we went to Italy, but we didn't go. As we said, the next sentence, the next part of the sentence, the second part of the sentence is negative, so we use didn't plus the verb to go in the base form, which stays go. So we didn't go to Rome. So let's see, the next one is number 2. I see Mark, but I see Alicia. So we have the correct sign for that guy is Mike, and we have the cross or the false sign for Alicia. So that means that I saw Mark, but I didn't see Alicia. I saw, the verb to see in the simple past. I saw Mark, but I didn't see Alicia. The next one, number 3. Number 3, we have Sue come to my party, but then come. So we have that, we can see that 2 people talking on the phone, a boy and a girl talking on the phone. The first one, she says, great, yes, that means that she is Sue. This is the picture of Dan. Sorry, no. That means that he is apologizing for not being able to come to the party. So, what can we say here? Can say that Sue came to my party, but Dan didn't come. So we have came, affirmative, simple past of verb to come, and didn't come. So we have 2 forms here of the simple past. We have the affirmative one and the negative one. We have came and didn't come. Right? Let's see the last one, number 4. Number 4, I make sandwiches, but I make cake. We have the correct sign for sandwiches and not correct, or the cross for the cake. That means that the guy or the girl, I made in the simple past, I made the sandwiches, or I made sandwiches, but I didn't make cake. So I made sandwiches, but I didn't make a cake. Right?
Our lesson came to an end. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.